Money can contribute to happiness by providing financial security and enabling us to pursue our goals. However, beyond a certain point, money is unlikely to lead to increased happiness. True happiness stems from relationships, personal growth, and a sense of purpose. The pursuit of money should not overshadow other important aspects of life that contribute to happiness. It's important to find a balance between financial security and other life priorities. We should strive to live a life of contentment and gratitude, regardless of our financial status. Money can be a tool for achieving happiness, but it's not the sole determinant of it. True wealth is found in the richness of our experiences, relationships, and contributions to the world. We should seek to live a life of purpose and meaning rather than solely focusing on material wealth. Happiness is a journey, not a destination, and money is only one part of that journey.